Just a few hours away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for. With plenty of sunbeds, it's the perfect time to dive into a new book while working on your tan. But sometimes a day on the sands just isn't enough. A banana boat is sure to satisfy anyone's need for speed, or explore the waters on a pedalo. You'll want to catch the nearby attractions. Has this beach captured your imagination? Then it's time to get packing.